In this video, I will talk about the visual and sound effects in Camelot. To play a sound effect in Camelot, you should use the play sound command. You can choose to specify an entity in the play sound command to play the sound only in the proximity of that entity. If you set the loop argument of the play sound command to true, the sound effect will loop indefinitely until the stop sound command is called. You can use the stop sound command to stop a specific sound effect. If you don't specify any arguments for the stop sound command, all the sound effects that are playing in the world are stopped. If you specify the name of the entity or place without specifying the name of the sound effect, all the sound effects playing for that entity or place are stopped. To show a visual effect on an entity, you can use the create effect command. If you use the enable effect command instead of the create effect command, the visual effect is shown on the entity indefinitely until you call the disable effect command.